We're very, very proud to say that we are a charity that uses Suresafe uniforms, from our hoodies, from our soft shells, to our water bottles, to anything at all that's printed in the charity for our service users or for our volunteers, is a very, very high quality at a very, very, very good price. My name's Colin McInnes and I'm the CEO and founder of Homeless Project Scotland. We're a homeless charity based in Glasgow. We feed 350 people a day in our Glasgow Welfare Centre, and we also have our night shelter for homeless rough sleepers in the whole of Scotland. We're very, very proud to say that all of our uniforms are from Suresafe, from our hoodies, from our soft shells, to our water bottles, to anything at all that's printed in the charity for our service users or for our volunteers, is a very, very high quality at a very, very, very good price. We're very, very happy to use Suresafe. It's a simple process as we phone up on a Monday, we order a jacket, we are shown a picture exactly of what the jacket will look like, and by the Wednesday the jacket is delivered to the shelter or the project, and the volunteer is springing in their step to wear their brand new uniforms. Also at Suresafe, they help us with our InUSigns products. Absolutely amazing. It's a simple process as spray them on the table, wipe them off, and all the germs and all the dirt is killed. And Eddie and his team at Suresafe come along on a weekly basis. They help to volunteer, they help to serve some food to people, and they also help to train our volunteers on how to use InUSigns products. We're very proud as a charity to have our shelter and our food service and our charity move to environmentally friendly products and uniforms and vehicles, etc. And we're very, very thankful that Suresafe are helping us in this journey and helping us to continue to make this journey better.
Suresafe, your partner for uniforms, workwear and PPE.